Hey guys! If you ever have had a houseplant pest nightmare, you're going to want to hear this. In the winter 2025, I have had my own personal fungus gnat apocalypse. It got so bad that I have to completely shut down my hydroponic system and start from scratch. Fast forward to March 2026. I finally restarted the adventure. I planted one layer of Romaine lettuce and one layer of coriander. No bugs this time, hopefully. Fingers crossed. By April, things looked pretty good, but not perfect. The Romaine lettuce grew beautifully. Through it was a bit more loose and leafy than the dense heads you buy at the supermarket. And the coriander? It was looking a little yellow and sad. But look at it now in late May. We have eaten almost all the lettuce, and as soon as the weather hit a steady 20 degrees Celsius, the coriander absolutely exploded. We now have a seemingly unlimited supply. Even better, the strong scent of the coriander seems to be keeping the pests away naturally. Hydroponics is all about trial and error, but we have finally got the win. Hit that subscribe button for more updates and see you in the next video. Bye!